stuck in the socket. It's just a nature, a game. Get ready, we'll do it again. Let's not recover from the hangover. When your eyes got me drunk, I was sober. Is it true that you love me? I dare you to kiss me.